Hi guys! Today we're going to do Module 6, Lesson 17. Today we will learn about even numbers by drawing arrays. Hoy vamos a dibujar conjuntos para aprender sobre números par. So just as a review guys, an array is an arrangement of objects in rows and columns. Okay, so this whole thing is my array. And here are my rows that go across my array, and these are my columns that go up and down my array. And notice that there are no spaces in between the rows, okay? All the squares are right next to each other with no spaces in between them, okay? And there are no spaces in between the columns either. So, un conjunto está hecho de objetos en filas y columnas. So, todo esto es un conjunto que tiene filas que se atraviesan, que van de lado a lado, y tiene columnas que van de arriba a abajo. Y fíjate que ningún cuadro tiene espacio entre el cuadro junto, ¿ok? No hay ningún espacio entre los cuadros, ¿ok? So, an even number, guys, even number is a number that can be split into two equal groups. And it always ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. Okay. So, un número par se puede quebrar en dos grupos iguales y siempre termina en 0, 2, 4, 6 o 8 en el lugar de las unidades. Okay. For example, guys, 0, well, we can't split that up into any groups, but for example, if we had 10, we could split that up into two equal groups of 5. Okay, we have 2 already, and we can split that up into two equal groups of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 4, you can always split that up into equal groups of 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6, you can split that up into equal groups of 3. And 8, you can split that up into equal groups of 4. Okay, so todos estos números se pueden quebrar a dos grupos iguales. 10 se quiebra a 5 y 5, 2 se quiebra 1 y 1, 4 se quiebra en 2 y 2, 6 se quiebra en 3 y 3, y 8 se quiebra en 4 y 4. Por eso es que estos números son pares. But let's try, guys. What if I have the number 3? Can I split that up into two equal groups? I know 3 is made up of 2 and 1, and 2 and 1 are not the same, so nope, 3 is not an even number. Okay, what about the number 7? 7, you can split up into 6 plus 1, that's not equal, or 5 plus 2, those aren't equal, or 3 plus 4, those are not equal, or 0 plus 7, and those are not equal. So 7 is also not an even number, okay? So only the numbers that end in 0 in the ones place, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place are even numbers, okay? So los únicos números que son pares son los que terminan en 0, 2, 4, 6 o 8 en el lugar de las unidades. Los demás números que no se pueden quebrar a dos grupos iguales no son pares. Se llaman impar. Okay, guys, so we're going to draw some arrays to figure out if our numbers are even or not. Alrighty. So first it says draw 2 rows of 6. Dibuja dos filas de 6. And we've been drawing arrays with squares, so I'm going to draw one row of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a second row of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my array. Okay, aquí está mi conjunto de dos filas de 6. And then, guys, I have to write my addition sentence. So I have 6 in each row. Okay, so I'm going to write 6 plus 6 equals, and my total is 12. Okay, so aquí va mi suma. 6 más 6 is 12 porque hay 6 en cada fila. And then you're just filling in 2 rows of 6 equals, and you already figured it out here. You have 12. Dos filas de 6 es igual al número de acá arriba, is 12. And then guys, here's where you have to do your own thinking, okay? Look at my number 12. Is 12 an even number? Remember, an even number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. 12 has a 2 in the ones place. Okay, so I think 12 is even. So I'm going to write 6 doubled is even. Alrighty, so aquí debo mirar si el doble de 6 es y qué va aquí. Entonces, aprendimos acá que los números pares terminan en 0, en 2, 4, 6 o 8 en el lugar de las unidades. Y aquí el 12 termina en 2 en el lugar de las unidades. Así es que aquí vas a decir el doble de 6 es par. Okay, y eso es todo. Okay guys, so first you're going to draw your array, which we're super great at. And then you're going to write the addition sentence. Then you're going to just fill in the blank with your total. And you're going to tell me if it's even or odd. Okay, so let's try another one. This one says draw 2 rows of 7. Este dice dibuja 2 filas de 7. Okay, so I'm going to draw 1 row with 7 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then a second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is my array. Okay, aquí tengo mis 2 filas de 7. And then, because I have 7 in each row, I'm going to write 7 plus 7 equals, and my total is 14. Okay, so now I'm going to fill this in. 2 rows of 7 equals 14. Okay, aquí voy a llenar mi total. 2 filas de 7 es igual a 14. And then 7 doubled is, and remember guys, even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. 14, look at my ones place here, it has a 4, so 7 doubled is even. Okay, so aquí recuerda que aquí dice el doble de 7 es, y recuerda que mis números pares terminan en 0, 2, 4, 6 y 8, y el número 14 tiene un 4 en el lugar de las unidades, así es que el doble de 7 es par. Okay, guys, real quick, make sure you're not looking at this number, okay? So I know it says 7 doubled is, and 7 is not an even number, right? Because it doesn't have 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. Okay, so this might confuse you, but you're not thinking about this number as a total, you're thinking about this number as a total, the total number of squares, because you had 7 doubled, you had it 2 times, okay? So the total number of squares in the rectangle is what you're talking about. So 7 doubled is even. Okay, el doble de 7 es par, porque no estás fijándote en este número en el 7, te estás fijando en el número que es el total número de cuadros en el rectángulo, okay? So guys, go ahead and try to do this one by yourself. Okay, pause the video. You're going to draw 2 rows of 8. Then you're going to fill in your addition number sentence. Fill in your blank here. 2 rows of 8 equals blank. And 8 doubled is, and you're going to tell me if it's even or not even. Okay, so pause the video and push play when you're ready to check your work. So aquí dice, dibuja 2 filas de 8. Vas a dibujar eso, vas a escribir tu suma, tu frase numérica. Luego vas a llenar aquí 2 filas de 8 es igual a, y el doble de 8 es, y aquí vas a poner si es par o si no es par. Ok, Pausa la video. Cuando termines y estés listo para revisar tu trabajo, le presionas play. Alrighty guys, so I hope you drew 2 rows of 8. And so I'm going to start by drawing my first row with 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aquí está una fila de 8 y voy a dibujar la segunda fila de 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys remember there are no spaces in between my squares, okay? I've seen some of you guys drawing your arrays with a big space in between your rows, okay? This should not be there in the array, okay? There should not be any spaces in between my rows or columns. So he visto que algunos de ustedes dibujan su conjunto así con espacio entre sus filas, pero nuestro conjunto no debe de llevar espacio entre las filas, okay? Ni entre las columnas. Okay guys, so I drew my 2 rows of 8. Now I'm gonna write my number sentence, and I have 8 plus 8 equals, and I hope you said 16. And then 2 rows of 8 equals 16 because it's right there. 2 filas de 8 es igual a 16 porque es nuestro total en el conjunto. And then 8 doubled is, so remember you're looking at the ones place, you have a 6, and 6 is even, is an even number. Alright, so aquí el doble de 8 es, y estoy fijándome en el número 6 en las unidades de 16. El número 6 es par, así es que el doble de 8 es par. Okay guys, so your exit ticket on Class Dojo, you're going to solve this in a notebook or a whiteboard or a sheet of paper, and then take a picture and send it to me, okay guys? So you're going to draw 2 rows of 5 and fill in the blank. 2 rows of 5 equals blank. Write your number sentence, and 5 doubled is it going to be even or is it not even? You gotta look at your array to figure that one out. Vas a resolver esto en tu cuaderno y después tomar una foto para entregarlo en Class Dojo, okay? So vas a dibujar 2 filas de 5, tu conjunto. Luego 2 filas de 5 es igual a, ahí vas a escribir tu total. Y algo más algo es igual a algo. Vas a escribir tu suma de las filas. Y luego el doble de 5 es par o no par. Okay? So guys, remember that we're using squares to draw our arrays with no spaces in between the squares, in between the rows or the columns. Alrighty guys, recuerda que estamos dibujando conjuntos usando cuadros y que no vamos a dejar espacio entre las filas o columnas, okay? Alright guys, I'm really excited to see your work. See you tomorrow.